What's up guys? Sagutin natin yung tanong sa isa sa mga followers natin dito sa TikTok. Hi, good day Sir John. How po kayo nag-start as funnel builder? And also, do you offer coaching po ba? Someone caught my attention online, particularly Coach Darla. Siya po ang reason kung bakit ako pumasok sa funnel building. Nainganyo ako and naging interesado ako, and I was curious kung paano ba gawin ng funnel building, ano yung funnels. Kasi right after I saw the videos of Coach Darla, sinearch ko agad online kung ano ba yung funnel. So yung pala guys, malaki pala yung bigayan. Per project, you can accept as many project as you can as long as kaya mo siyang gawin. Pumasok ako sa course ni Coach Darla, yung Funnel Masters Academy. Kung gusto nyong pumasok, just try to visit her social media accounts, TikTok to be exact. At doon makikita mo kung how can you join her Funnel Masters Academy. After the course, I also search marami talagang YouTube videos regarding about funnels. Nandyan na yan. All you have to do is search, study it. Maraming mga resources online. Then secondly, nag-o-offer ba ako ng coaching? Right at this moment, course lang muna. Pero I recommend and I highly suggest, kung gusto mong magpa-coach, dun ka kay Coach Darla. She has all the knowledge and tips on how you can start and how you can effectively create a high converting funnel. But for now, I am offering courses lang muna, and it's about to go out soon. So follow this TikTok account para malaman mo kung kailan lalabas yung course para sa inyo. Sana nasagot ko yung tanong mo. Like and follow for more tips dito sa TikTok account.